Morris Treaty books for the liberation. If you got the first Morris Treaty book, then it's time to get the second treaty book, dealing with several indigenous American treaties, dealing with Moorish treaties, dealing with Pan-Africanist declaration, and also dealing with indigenous American case law. So much more knowledge, more power. Available on Amazon. Order yours today. Peace. Once again, Dede Elamine, the host for our show, dealing with conscious memes. So, I want y'all to check it out. But first, subscribe, like the video, and check out and get ready for more videos that we be dealing with conscious memes and other stuff. Trying to bring this out here, you know. So, this episode 2, November edition, we're going to be looking back at November. And basically what November's basic themes for these conscious memes will be dealing with November midterm elections. You know how that was, you know. We're also looking at the California wildfires and the conspiracy. You feel me? And then we're going to be looking at Misgivings Day. Some of y'all call it Thanksgiving Day, but we know better. You feel me? So, check it out, learn something, and get ready for some conscious memes. Yeah, all these niggas out here got their sticker on, talking about I voted today, and then the next day, same old shit. What do we really get out of voting? Absolutely nothing. Shout out to my homeboy Steve Muhammad for posting this. As you can see, your homeboy was against voting as well. Seemed like it wasn't getting him nowhere. Unfortunately, much of what he's saying still rings very true today. Now y'all look at this map. This does seem like a little crazy. Am I a conspiracy theorist or what? But this does seem a little crazy. Not to mention, I heard they got lasers on planes shooting lasers down at the fire. Am I crazy? Ooh, boy, I can see a Christian looking at this picture now like, ooh, Lord Jesus. But, hey, the first Jesus was a ship named Jesus that came and brought y'all over here for free. Yeah, all you conscious folk was out here talking smack and then running around eating Misgivings Day turkey. Well, why don't you look at who was the jive turkey? You understand what I'm saying? Wise up, people. It's crazy.